Good morning, Stephen Henby here, and in front of you here is my latest, or my second latest product. I have a latest product now which builds different things, but this one builds out totally interactive products, and we are day 16 of 72. Why 16 of 72 is because we can build out 72 different products in here in these most popular niches. All right, today we're going to be doing the business and we're going to build a product and we're going to be building a sales page, business and side hustle. And I'm just going to put my camera bit up out of the way. And we're going to do people with an idea but no plan. I reckon that could be a good one. And we're going to do a 30-day kickstart challenge to get them going. All right. Here's one of our latest updates, is all these colours. For some reason it says to me to do dark and premium. I'm not doing dark and premium. I'm going to use Sky Pop Blue. And Sky Pop Blue. And then now what we're going to do now is we have the product made, business and side hustle, people with no idea but no plans, 30-day challenge, going to Sky Pop Blue, Sky Pop Blue. Up to now, the software does everything for you. Now, what we have to do, what happened there? Copy prompt. And this is the product here. So we have to go into Claude. And we have to get a new chat. I'm a little bit behind today, so I don't know why. Paste it in here and go. And that's going to make the product for us. We're going to come into here. We're going to start a timer. And now it's going to build the product for us. So as it builds, take about 4 to 5 minutes to make it. I'm going to pause the video and come back. Okay, so let's have a look at this. 5 minutes 17, which is not bad to build out an interactive product. Let's have a look at it. Start challenge date. You can have today's date in if you wanted to, 25th of June. Open today's task. It says write down every idea you've had in the last 12 months. Open a fresh notepad. That's not a bad idea. List your ideas here. Okay. And day 2, it tells you score each idea on skills, demand, and energy. So pretty much it's a 30-day challenge to get you back into it, which is a great idea because a lot of people aren't organised. And I know from my students, first thing I say to them is your hard drive, what do you want to call it these days, Google Drive or whatever is organised? They go, no. I said, well, first thing is go and organise it and go from there. Anyway, so that's the product. Now we're going to copy this and we're going to publish it, and we have our usual cat coming along. So I'm going to copy that link. No, Bella, I fed you 10 minutes ago. All right. So you're not getting any more food. Oh, yes. Don't argue with me. All right. So here it is here. This is actually now live on the web, and you can put in here the date that you want to start, current day. You can come down and you can actually reset it, so they can reset it as well. So that's how that works. That is the product. All right. Now, she keeps walking on the bloody keyboard. I'm sorry about that. Well, I didn't hurt her. She just screams when you touch her. All right. Now we're going to build the sales page. We're going to copy the prompt, and we're going to come into here, and we're going to go new chat, and we're going to paste it, and we're going to go like that. And now what this is going to do, she's gone, is build out the sales page. You touch it and she screams. You pat it in the night in bed, she screams. You feed her, she screams. I suppose she's like 16 or 17 years old. So I suppose when you get old and grumpy, like she's allowed to scream, isn't she? You touch it, she screams. But there's nothing wrong with her. And you're patting her and you're patting her and she screams. It just, anyway, an old female she is, and she's just a little bit grumpy, that's all. So what this is doing, this is building out the sales page for us. Now, when you get the sales page up, you can modify it however you want to. You can change the price point. You can add a video to it. You can add an extra image to it. You can move sections of it around. The sales page you go to when you have a look at this product was built this way. I brought in a base, sales page from in here, and I modified it. I said, how about we make the FAQ this? How about we add some images in it to show some people? How about we link out to a sample page? For example, what you could do is you could build the sales page and then put a photo of the actual tool on it, and then have it linking out to the tool to see what the tool looks like. So that's how quick it builds a sales page. I didn't set a timer. It's in here. It's a little bit boring, but you can actually, some of them come out anyway. It's income, idea to income in 30 days. Okay, get started. What I would do is I would put a video up in here, or an image. Who's this for? Who's it for? Why most ideas never become income, which is probably idea right. What changes when you follow this? Clear validation, your real first customer, complete 30-day system. See, I was finding that too that you I'm just going to change something here. See, I don't like this here, because for some reason lately it's been doing this. I'll get it changed out where I can see it anyways. Please put the bottom section with by. I would talk normally, but I'll do this above questions. See, some people like where they are and some people don't. So what it's going to do is it's going to modify it out. And then what you can do is going to do it live for us in a couple of minutes. And for example, you could say, I don't want to sell it for 27. I want to sell it for $6 or $7 or $28 or 4,220. And you tell it here, I want to change the price point or the price to it. Now here we have to link out to, I'll show you in a minute why I'm talking about this. I teach you how to link this out to a shopping cart so you can sell it. And what I suggest you do is you get this Claude link for this page, or you host it. And then what you do is put a link into, say, a Google Doc. I teach you how to do it. Make a PDF and then deliver that PDF to them with the live link of your artifact product in it. All right, so it looks like it's done it. So now it's got here, the QA is here, this is up here. If you want to get an image, you could say put an image up in here or a video, or you could make it a bit more. I would really want a bit more content top of the page. Just put in here, it'll do it for you. So pretty much now we have the product and we have the sales page in 6 minutes to build. Probably take another half now to get all this set up, ready to go, maybe an hour if you haven't done it before, and then run traffic to it. I'll teach you how to host it and all those type of things. This is all built with this Claude Creator Kit. So that is, you hope you had enjoyed day 16. Tomorrow's day 17, and she's back, and we're going to be doing a student study weekly planner. All right, anyway, you have a great day.